Okay, let's try this again. What are we looking at, Abby?
PT Cruiser.
Okay, and again, why you call it that? Why you call it, what's this thing? Sorry.
Senior Cruiser.
Senior what?
Senior Cruiser.
Senior Flame.
Oh. Sorry.
Come on, my battery's dying.
And I'm thinking about putting Senior Flame up here. It's funny.
Okay, let's show me the inside. Come on.
I'm already
Show her.
This is what takes it. BTW.
Okay.
Key, Mom.
Okay, get in.
It rolled over without a key.
Uh-uh.
The sunroof.
Oh. Here, show her the dash.
Here's our dash. There's our dash.
The instrument panel, knuckle butt.
Is that that? Oh! Here's where you get the windows, air conditioning, CD player, tape player, a power outlet, a smoke thing.
Okay, that's enough. Show her up above.
Okay, now watch. Which one's that?
No.
One touch of a button.
Sunroof. Stop, Abby.
There's the sunroof. Watch this.
Stop it. No, stop. I don't have enough batteries. Okay. Let's see inside. Abby's a pain in the butt. Hey, Kate, say hi, Mama. This is the back. I know it don't look very big, and that's because it isn't. But, and then here's the hatch. And Dada's already taken the thing down. So, but that's what it looks like. I'm going to try to get one big. This is the back. There's Abby's